In this video, I will show you the best free VPN for your Android device. Now simply go ahead and open your Play Store app and then search for the first app which I'm going to be reviewing on this video, which is Proton VPN. So you can see I've already searched for it before. So this is actually the app. So you can go ahead and install it to your device. Now Proton VPN, they actually have a paid plan, which is like their premium plan, and at the same time they also have a free plan. Now the sweet part about their free plan is that you don't even have to register. Once you install the app, you can just go ahead and you'll be able to utilize it. Although yes, it is actually limited, because of course it's going to be limited. You'll be able to use limited servers since you are using the free plan. But once you upgrade to the premium plan, you'll be able to access a lot more server by using this VPN. Now, before I move on to the next on my list, if you're actually finding any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to actually help me on my YouTube growth journey. Now, the next on my list is actually a premium VPN app. So this app is called Surfshark. So you can see it in here. So this is the name of the app. Now, this app is more like one of the best apps that you ever find when it comes to give VPN, because this app is actually very, very stable and it has a whole lot of servers, and also it's very, very easy to use. That's why I said this app is more like a premium app. So it's an app that once you are using it, you just know that okay, you are using something that is very, very reliable. You are going to be protected, safe, and it's going to be a very, very nice experience. But just that is a premium app, which means that it's not actually free. So you can actually use any one of your choice. So as you can see, you'll be able to access up to 4,500 servers by using this Surfshark app. So it's pretty much any one of your choice. So it's either you are using Surfshark or you are going ahead to use the first one that I mentioned on this video, which is Proton VPN. So it's pretty much any one of your choice. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.